that Kashmir is the most beautiful prison on earth. Ladies and gentlemen, it was mentioned by multiple speakers about our leader, who is the most popular leader, not only in the valley of Kashmir, not only in Jammu and Kashmir, but in the whole state of Jammu Kashmir, Muhammad Yasir Malik. You know what India says? India says he is a terrorist. And they gave him the life imprisonment. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you that Muhammad Yasir Malik is not terrorist. Not because I am saying so, but because Kuldeep Nair, Ambassador Kuldeep Nair, who was one of the most prominent journalists of India, who was the Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom, Kuldeep Nair wrote in Rajab.com that Yasir Malik has become the non-violent leader. Ambassador Kuldeep Nair wrote that Muhammad Yasir Malik is the true follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are the follower of Mahatma Gandhi, the whole America knows that he was the symbol of non-violence. If Muhammad Yasir Malik not, I am saying so. Ambassador Kuldeep Nair says he is the follower of Mahatma Gandhi. That means Yasir Malik is also the symbol of non-violence. Bharat Bhushan, another Indian journalist, he wrote in Daily Telegraph, ladies and gentlemen, he wrote, Muhammad Yasir Malik has turned to be the non-violent leader. Then he wrote that Muhammad Yasir Malik is using the mixture of Sufism and non-violence to bring peace to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. You tell me, ladies and gentlemen, if Yasir Malik is a terrorist, then how come on earth a person no less important than Dr. Manmohan Singh, the Prime Minister of India, he invited Muhammad Yasir Malik for a meeting? If Yasir Malik is a terrorist, then the Prime Minister of India is inviting a terrorist to the Prime Minister's office. You know what did they discuss? Because Muhammad Yasir Malik told that to the State Department. He told that to the State Department and the National Security Council. He told them in my presence, ladies and gentlemen, that Dr. Manmohan Singh, he wanted me to meet you, the America. He wanted me to meet with the Pakistani government, even to the extent he wanted me to meet with Sayyid Salahuddin, the chairman of Hizbul Mujahideen. For what? To make the peaceful negotiations between India and Pakistan to settle the issue of Kashmir. So Muhammad Yasir Malik is a symbol of non-violence. He is the most popular leader of Kashmir. Ladies and gentlemen, it was just a year ago, 2 years ago, Muhammad Yasir Malik gave a challenge to the Modi. He gave a challenge to the Narendra Modi. You know what was the challenge? The challenge was, you let me go to the Lal Chowk, which is the red square of Kashmir, which is the Times Square of Kashmir. Muhammad Yasir gave a challenge to the Prime Minister of India. You let me go to the Lal Chowk. If I am not going to gather 1 million people, I am going to resign from the politics. That challenge still stands, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghulam Nabi, one of the most important human rights defenders. Ghulam Nabi is one of the 100 most influential people of the world. And Narendra Modi said he is a terrorist. We have a Mary Lawler. Mary Lawler is the United Nations Special Rapporteur on Human Rights Defender. Mary Lawler was appointed by the United Nations. Mary Lawler says Ghulam Nabi is not a terrorist. He is a human rights defender. Ladies and gentlemen, we are Americans, but we fail to understand what America is doing. You know, have you heard the name of Kamala Harris? Kamala Harris is our Vice President of the United States. Kamala Harris said, I quote, I want to remind the people of Kashmir that they are not alone in this world. I am not saying this, Kamala Harris is saying this. I want to remind the people of Kashmir that they are not alone in this world. That our Vice President said that we are going to track the situation in Kashmir. What did she do? She did not do anything. You know why? Because Indian lobby brain. At the end, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at a very historic Times Square. This Times Square is very close to the United Nations. It was none other than Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General of the United Nations, who said within the past 2 years more than 5 times, he said Kashmir issue has to be resolved under UN Charter and under United Nations Security Council resolution. Mr. Antonio Guterres, what happened? Why did you implement those resolutions? We have to knock the door of State Department. We have to knock the door of United Nations because they are the one. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end let me tell you, you know the resolution number 47 that was adopted on April 24th of 1948. You know who drafted that resolution? Not India, not Pakistan. It was Ambassador Warren Austin, who was the American ambassador to the United Nations, and he was instructed by the President of America to initiate the resolution. So America is the country which has not only initiated the resolution on Kashmir, which has given the people of Kashmir right to self-determination. If the people of Kashmir are demanding the right to self-determination, they are not asking something from the moon. They are asking what America, the world powers, even India and Pakistan, they agreed that there won't be any peace, there won't be any justice in Kashmir unless the people of Kashmir, they will exercise their right to self-determination. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I have sent a letter to General Musharraf, I have sent a letter to President Zardari, I have sent a letter to Prime Minister Imran Khan, which has been published in the whole newspapers. Please, for God's sake, don't change the status of Pakistan. If you are going to do that, you are violating the United Nations Security Council resolution. We are thankful to the people of Pakistan. We are thankful to the government of Pakistan. They are doing within their limitations whatever they do. But they should not take the measures which are going to be really very crucial for the future of Kashmir. As it was mentioned by everybody, we have 2 halimas here that we do not accept the division of Kashmir. Division of Kashmir does not only mean Valley, Ladakh and Jammu. It also means Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Whatever the future of Kashmir, that has to be decided by the people of Kashmir, not only by the Muslims, but also by the Hindus, by Sikhs, by Dogars, but everybody. But it is not India and Pakistan which is going to decide the future of Kashmir. It is not even the United States of America which are going to decide the future of Kashmir. The United Nations gave that power to 23.5 million people of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Ladies and gentlemen, I have really no words to thank you. It was so heavy rain, but you have come with your families, you have come with your friends. With that, ladies and gentlemen, may Allah bless you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.